Welcome to Module 1, the Evolving AI Landscape. Let's be real, AI can feel overwhelming. There's a ton of hype and a lot of noise. This module will help you cut through it. You're not just going to learn what AI is, you'll see how it's being used right now to generate leads, improve customer experience, automate workflows, and give businesses a real competitive edge. Let's dive in. Forget robots and science fiction for a sec. AI isn't magic, it's pattern recognition at scale. In the past, we had automation. If this, then that, otherwise do this other thing. Very rigid rules. But today's AI, especially foundation models, they can detect patterns, make predictions, and even generate content. There are three types of AI that you really need to know. Machine learning, or ML, is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn patterns from data to make predictions. It traditionally relied on structured data like tables, although with modern approaches, it can now also learn from unstructured data. In business, it powers things like revenue forecasts, customer churn predictions, and lead scoring. Put simply, it's about using patterns in your past data to predict future behavior. You've probably seen machine learning in action already. Netflix suggesting your next show, Gmail filtering your spam, Amazon recommending what to buy next. These systems learn from your behavior and the behavior of millions of others to make smarter suggestions over time. Now, deep learning, or DL, is a more advanced form of machine learning. It works kind of a bit like the human brain. It learns from massive amounts of data and figures things out on its own. While traditional machine learning often needs us to tell it what to look for, deep learning finds the patterns by itself. This powers more complex experiences. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, self-driving cars, even medical image recognition. But more recently, deep learning has become the backbone of something even bigger. Foundation models. Foundation models are large, general-purpose AI systems. They're trained on massive datasets, text, images, even code, and they're built using deep learning. But instead of solving just one task, they can adapt to many. Think of tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic Cloud, or xAI's Grok. These aren't just apps. They're interfaces to incredibly powerful foundation models wrapped in a user-friendly experience. These models are the powerhouses because they're trained on so much data that they can work across text, images, audio, and even video. And here's the best part. You can access all of that power through APIs or built-in copilots. You don't need an in-house data science team. So, what happens when you combine deep learning with foundation models and package it in tools that you can actually talk to? That's generative AI. When you're chatting with a tool that drafts content, writes code, summarizes a report, or designs a presentation, you're using deep learning delivered through a foundation model packaged as generative AI. This is what powers ChatGPT and many others, including my own self-hosted chatbot that can be powered by virtually any foundation model. Generative AI can create emails, blog posts, summaries, images, presentations, even business plans. Today, we're entering the era of multimodal AI. That means models can understand text, images, speech, and documents all at the same time. So imagine this. An AI assistant that reads a 20-page contract, explains it in plain language, summarizes the key risks, and drafts a follow-up email, all in seconds. That's not the future. This is now. Let's bust some myths, because misunderstanding AI often leads to fear or missed opportunities.
Okay, but AI is totally sentient now, right? I mean, it told me a joke and laughed. That's basically emotions, right?
Nope. It doesn't think, it doesn't feel, it just predicts the next best word, image, or response based on its training data.
Okay, I get it, but oh man, AI is gonna replace all our jobs, isn't it? Like I should just quit now and become a beekeeper or something?
Not exactly. AI replaces tasks, not roles. Think of it as a co-pilot, not an autopilot. an underlord as opposed to an overlord, if you will. For example, marketers use AI to draft campaign copies, generate variations, and analyze results, freeing them up for strategy and other more important tasks.
Well, I mean, all this AI stuff sounds nice, but that's just for big tech, right? We can't afford tools like that on our budget.
No, small and mid-sized businesses are already using AI tools to automate lead generation, content creation, and follow-ups.
I say we wait until AI matures. Let the tech settle. No point rushing into it now, correct?
You can, but the cost of waiting is growing because your competitors are already using it to move faster, personalize services better, and convert leads with fewer resources. Let's bring this down to earth. Here are some real business examples where AI is already driving ROI. Lead generation and funnel nurture. A real estate group scores leads with AI, prioritizes follow-ups, and personalizes email sequences, while another company uses chatbots trained on FAQs to engage website visitors, qualify them, and book demos 24/7. The result? More leads, shorter sales cycles, no extra hires. Customer experience automation. AI assistants on WhatsApp, Telegram, or websites resolve 80% of common questions. One SaaS company cut support ticket times by 40% with an AI copilot that finds account-specific answers instantly. Healthcare and professional services. Copilots summarize medical notes, legal documents, and financial reports, while a clinic saved hours per staff member using GPT to triage appointments and handle patient follow-ups. Bottom line, AI isn't replacing people, it's removing the repetitive work that drains them. AI is not exactly a trend. It's a clear exponential shift. And here's what's coming next. AI agents. We're moving beyond chatbots now to autonomous agents that can remember, reason, and act. For example, one agent scans your CRM every morning and emails your team the high-priority leads automatically. Open models and in-house control. Companies are now exploring open models like Mistral or Llama for on-premise use and custom data privacy. AI as a platform. Soon, AI won't be a tool. It'll be built into everything. Your CRM, your HR system, your help desk, just like Wi-Fi or cloud storage. It's just there. Governance and regulation. This is a big one. New laws are coming in, so leaders must balance innovation with accountability to track how AI makes decisions, use explainable models, and keep human oversight in critical processes. Here's the key takeaway. AI isn't about the future, it's about what you can do right now to cut costs, serve better, and grow faster. It's not magic, it's not out of reach. Whether you're trying to improve lead quality, serve customers better, or cut back on repetitive work, chances are there's already an AI solution in your industry. In the next module, we'll dig deeper. Where does AI really create value? What risks do you need to manage? And how do you know if your business is ready? But for now, ask yourself this. Where can AI give your team leverage this quarter? You now understand what modern AI really is, what's myth and what's reality, and how it's being used across industries and where this is all headed. Great work. Let's keep going.